Here's what you need to know about truck management: fast, clear, and no fluff. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting out, managing your truck efficiently is key to a smooth and profitable operation. First up, let's talk about maintenance. Regular checkups are like health checkups for your truck. Keeping your vehicle in top shape reduces breakdowns and keeps you rolling. Always check your tires, brakes, and engine before hitting the road. Trust us, a little time spent on maintenance saves you big trouble down the line. Next, fuel efficiency. It's not just about saving money, it's about maximizing every drop. Plan your routes smartly. Use GPS systems that help you avoid traffic jams and find the best paths. Keeping your speed steady and avoiding sudden stops can also stretch that fuel tank further. Then there's load management. Balancing your load properly not only ensures safety, but also keeps your vehicle stable. An uneven load can lead to accidents or damage to your goods. Always double check your cargo and make sure it's secured. Paperwork is another biggie. Keeping your documents organized, from delivery receipts to maintenance logs, ensures you're always ready for inspections. It's also essential for tracking your expenses and income, giving you a clearer picture of your business health. Don't overlook time management. Delays can cost you, both in money and reputation. Stick to your schedules, factor in time for rest breaks, and use trip planning apps to monitor weather or road closures. Staying on time builds trust with clients and boosts your efficiency on the road. Also, prioritize driver wellness. Long hours behind the wheel can take a toll on your health. Eat well, stay hydrated, and get enough rest. A healthy driver is a safer, more focused driver, and your body is just as important to maintain as your truck. Now, let's touch on compliance. Navigating the rules of the road can be tricky, but that's where FMCSA Registration.com comes in. We help truckers like you stay compliant with all FMCSA regulations. From permits to registrations, we've got you covered. Finally, let's not forget about technology. Embrace the tools available today to improve efficiency. From electronic logging devices to apps that track expenses, technology is your co-pilot in truck management. Thank you for tuning in to this session on truck management. Remember, FMCSA Registration.com is your go-to partner in the transportation industry. Whether it's registration or compliance, we've got your back. Visit us at FMCSARegistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Safe travels and keep on trucking.